Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to mint LayerEdge CLI step by step. Open your terminal and install the CLI, then connect your wallet and set the correct network. Prepare the metadata file and double-check file paths before running the mint command. I'll walk you through common flags, explain gas considerations, and show how to verify the minted asset on the chain so you can repeat the process confidently. In this video, I will show how to mint LayerEdge CLI step by step. Start by installing the CLI and creating or importing a wallet, then fund it with the native token for gas. Configure the CLI with your RPC endpoint and chain ID and store a backup of your seed phrase safely. I'll explain common config options, how to test with a small mint, and how to avoid mistakes that cause failed transactions. In this video, I will show how to mint LayerEdge CLI step by step. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with planning your project budget. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to mint LayerEdge CLI step by step. Create your metadata JSON with name, description, and URI, then run the CLI mint command with flags for quantity, royalties, and gas limit. Watch the transaction hash and wait for confirmations, then query the chain to confirm the asset is listed. I'll cover troubleshooting tips for common errors and how to adjust gas to speed confirmation when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.